What's up, everybody? What's going on? Uh-oh, I should have moved this over a little bit. All right, guys, this is gonna be a little video. Temu. I got a lot of stuff from Temu here. I figured, why not show you too? Why not? Some people have doubts about Temu. Is that a legit site? Can I order stuff? Does it actually come? Here it is. They don't do the Temu bag anymore. So I figured I'd do this video today. And also want to let you guys know, company sent me, I have a couple products that I haven't done reviews yet for because I'm still reading up about it. I got a wireless docking station. It's an alarm clock. I'm going to be doing a review about that next week. A company sent it to me, really sharp looking. It's like real streamlined and modern looking. I have these cup coasters. They're for your car, but they're really, I never seen anything like this. They're really high quality. They're like a deep dish coaster, and they're really deep. And they go in the car and they have like a little diamond in the center. It gives your car a little bling bling, you know, really sharp looking. But I'm gonna do that review. I also have an ozone machine for your house. It's supposed to get odors out. I haven't done that review yet either because in the instructions it says don't turn on when you're in the house with pets and stuff. And my dogs are home all the time, so I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I gotta read up on it. I'm gonna call the company and find out exactly. That's why I haven't done reviews yet on those. For one, the coasters I can't do a review because my wife takes my car every day, so I'm stuck. The alarm clock, I'm going to read up on about it and I want to make sure everything's perfect. I'll be doing a review on that very shortly. What else? Oh boy, I wish I remember the name of the company. Well, I don't want to ruin it anyway, but they're sending me a skateboard that has built-in brakes on the skateboard. Really, really sharp. They're sending me a longboard. I'll be doing a review on that next week. So, all right, let's get into this. Let's see what we got here, guys. And the only reason I'm doing this is because a lot of guys still ask. A lot of people still ask on my channel, guys and girls. Is Temu legit? Can I order stuff? Does it come okay? I mean, last week I got another order and the bag was ripped open and I was missing one item. But Temu, I let them know about it and they gave me a refund right away. No problems. You see this stuff in this bag, guys? This is all impulse stuff. This is stuff I buy because I can't sleep at night. I got insomnia. I don't have a lot of money, trust me, but I go online and I just buy shit I don't need. But whatever, it's all fun. Oh, these are, you guys saw this already. This is that down there. It's that exhaust shield. I'm not gonna open this now. I already showed you guys this in the last video. It's that red exhaust shield. I bought another one. All right, let's see what this is. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's pretty cool. I forgot I ordered this. It's a Lego. Well, it's a knockoff Lego, but it's a Ducati motorcycle. Check that out. It's a lot of pieces, guys. How many pieces in this thing? I forgot what it said. Let's see, does it say? Thousands of pieces. I don't know where it says on the box, but this was like 18 bucks or something. If you go to a regular toy store in a mall or something or online, this is like 40, 50 bucks. I got it for half price, but pretty cool. All right, what else we got here? In my sack of goodies. I should have two of these. I ordered two. It's a light. I got it for the big new. I'm gonna put one here and one here in handlebars. Let's see. I ordered two of those though. I hope it's here. I got my son this. It's just a pizza hat with a bite missing out of the cap. He's not gonna wear this. I told him to bring it to. He runs a pizzeria. I told them to bring it to the pizzeria and wear it if you want, whatever. It was like $3, guys. You know, you can't beat it. I'm trying to find spots for this stuff. All right, first let me see if the other light's in here. Oh, here it is. I ordered two of these. These were, I think, $4 a piece. And they're pretty bright lumen LEDs. I forgot how many lumens, but I'm gonna put one on each side. They're really small. I just want extra light. You never have enough light on an e-bike at night. You know, why not? All right, what else we got here? I bought shirts I'll probably never wear. Look at this. Oh, that's funny. I got a Temu bag, and it's empty. We'll see what happens. Let's see. Oh, I got a little Italian bracelet with my Italian colors. I got a tattoo over here, guys. See that? Official Guido. I got this one here. That's my dad. That was my dad back in 1936 in Miami. He was like 20 years old, hanging out with his friends. It's just a cool picture. Anyway, all right, bracelet. This stuff's probably gonna fall. I'm not gonna open all the shirts now. Hey, maybe you want to see the quality. I'll show you the shirt. Why not? I'll tell you what. Most of these shirts, I think, were like $4 to $6. What the hell does that say on it? Yeah, it's just an Italian shirt, Italy. I don't remember it saying that though. What does that say? Jalivis Club? I don't know what the hell that is. I didn't see that when I bought it. Maybe that's why the shirt was so cheap. Now let's see. Let's just throw it down for now. What else we got here? What is this shirt? What are you guys doing today for Memorial Day? You having cookouts? Oh, this is pretty cool. This is funny, guys. I bought this for a joke. This shirt was like $6, I think. It's a Sons of Anarchy vest, and it's a T-shirt, but it has everything printed. Look, it looks like you're wearing a vest. I don't know. I thought it was pretty cool. You know, it's kind of white trashy, right? If you could say that word. But it's pretty cool. I figured, what the hell? It looks like it's fun. See, looks like I have a vest on. It was like $6. Can't beat it. What the hell? I got so many shirts in my closet now, I don't even wear them. Way too much clothes. I don't know what's wrong with me. I got to stop buying shit. It's all fun though, guys. I took a ride with the big new BGX today. Went by the beach, and it was 20 degrees colder and foggy. What else we got? Oh, got a whole bunch of stuff. All right, let's skip the clothes for now. What is this? Oh, socks for my girl. These socks were like $2.98 for 6 pairs. Powder blue socks. Let's put those there. All right, what else I got? Oh yeah, these are pretty cool. I forgot about these. Hot Wheels. I figured I'd put it on this bike. I'm gonna find a spot on the big new and put it there. See that? You get 2 of them. Pretty sharp. Metal too. I got caps for the bike, red caps. These were like $1.98. Really good quality, all aluminum, no plastic at all. No plastic. Now, what the hell is this? Oh, what is that? Oh, it's another shirt. Oh, everything's falling now. That's all right. Let me take these shirts out. I got another shirt there. I got something in this bag. I don't remember ordering this. Oh, okay. It's a piece of heavy rubber plastic. I bought an ice machine. You know, one of those ice machines go on your kitchen counter. But I want to put this down so it doesn't mess up the kitchen counter. It's like heavy duty plastic. It'll protect it from any spills or anything. This was very cheap too. In Lowe's and Home Depot, I think this was $19. I got this for like, it was like $5. It unrolls. And it's a big, thick piece of plastic. What else? What is this shirt? Oh, it's a cool shirt. Just a camouflage shirt. And I hope nobody sent it back. They usually don't come like that. They usually come folded nice. Let's see. Oh yeah. Got the Punisher logo on the front. I figured, what the hell? Pretty cool looking. Again, I don't need shirts, but I keep buying them. Temu's addictive. I love Amazon. This stuff is 10 times cheaper than Amazon even, but you gotta wait a little while to get it. It takes about 6 to 10 days. Now, this is pretty cool. 2 wolves on a shirt. I don't know what the hell. And there's only one last shirt left, guys. Yeah, I gotta change this bike. I'm gonna be doing this all over. I messed up over here. I'm gonna redo the gas tank. All right, what else? Oh, that piece broke off. One last shirt, guys. Temu. What is this one? I forgot what I bought. I might as well open it. I don't know what the hell it is. I buy stuff at night. I have no idea what I'm buying. I guess it's some kind of logo I like or a shirt. Oh, it's a Punisher. We the People. Pretty cool looking. Not bad. And some stuff is cotton, and most stuff is polyester. But I'll tell you, I wore these before on a hot day. They breathe pretty good. They breathe pretty good. This is extra large, and the sizes are true to size too, guys. Now I'm losing weight, so these shirts might be a little bigger. But yeah, not a bad deal, Temu. Pretty good stuff for the price. All right. Now we have something to do today. Put these lights on. All right, guys. This is just a short video. I just want to show you guys. Some of you have been asking, how's the Temu quality? How fast does it come? Does it all come? It all comes. I got every package I ever ordered. No problems. All right. I guess that's it. I'm just going to do some stuff to the bike today. I'm selling a lot of my bikes, guys. I'm selling that e-bike over there in the corner. You can't see it in the camera. It's the same bike, the dual motor. I'm getting rid of it. And I'm selling all these bikes except this one. I decided to keep this one. I got parts coming for the back wheel I got to put on next week, probably Monday or Tuesday. But yeah, just something about this bike. I ride it. It's very, very comfortable. Really nice bike. I'm charging this up right now. But that's it, guys. I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. Hey, want to say hi to my dog? Hold on. Say hi to my dog, Jax. I got Jax with me. Look at Jax. You say hi, Jax? You're a good boy. I'm going to get you some water. He's only been out there for like 5-10 minutes. It's the same length I've been doing this video. But, okay, guys, that's it. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you, each and every one of you. God bless. Thank you.